Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to add domain in Blogger. You can also get 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now, first of all, here, just need to sign in your Blogger account, basically right down here. And then what you're going to do is just click on these settings right here at the side menu. And then here, once you click on this one, you'll find this page right here. Now, just need to scroll down, then go to publishing, and here click on custom domain. So basically, you just need to enter here your Hostinger domain. So let's go to your Hostinger domain, and we're gonna copy this domain here. Then go back to Blogger, and we're gonna paste it right here. So if you click on save, some warning right here or error. So we're gonna, I think we should add a triple W at the beginning of this domain and click save. Now here on the next one, you will find here we have not been able to verify your authority to access these domains. So basically, we're gonna add those records, DNS records here. So go to Hostinger, then click on manage, and then we should add here on DNS name servers. And then here we should add the CNAMEs right here. We have two CNAMEs here. So first of all, if you found some CNAME here on your record, so you just need to delete it first. For example here, so just click on delete. And basically here we just need to add some records. So go at the top here, manage DNS records. So type a CNAME. And then the name right here, we're gonna copy this triple W right here. So we're gonna type here www, and then the target here, we're gonna copy this target destination. So we're gonna copy this one and paste it right here, and then click on add record. So we have one CNAME. Now we have to add the second one. So go back to the Blogger, and again I just need to add this as the name. So go back again, Hostinger. So we're gonna type here CNAME, and then paste it here. Then the target, again, the destination will be here, and we're gonna copy this one. So once you copy this, go back to Hostinger and paste it here on target, and click on add record. So as you can see, we have two CNAMEs here. So if you go back to your Blogger help, basically, we have done this instructions here. First one, set up your domain. Now we have some instructions here that we're going to follow. Redirect URL. So add these 4A records here on your Hostinger. So these are 4A records. So go to DNS. So before we add that, find a record here, and you just need to delete it first. And then go back to the add record section. So from here, so basically type a, then name at, and then we're gonna copy this first record here. So Control V, and then add record, and we should do that to the other records. So again, go back and copy the second one, which is 34. So again, paste it here. So basically just need to put @ symbol and click add records. If you find this one, just click confirm. And on the third one, we're gonna again go back and copy this 36. So just same method. So put @ symbol and paste here, then add record, and then again confirm. Again on the last one here, so go back and then just copy this 38. And then here again, @ symbol, and then Control V to paste it here, then click add records. So as you can see, we have added those 4As and the two CNAMEs on your Hostinger domain records. So if you go back to Blogger site, you just have to click on save button, and you'll find here your custom domain, which is your Hostinger domain. So that's all. That's how we basically add domain in Blogger with that Hostinger domain. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.